Polymorphism is a fundamental concept in object-oriented programming (OOP) that allows objects of different classes to be treated as objects of a common superclass. It allows different classes to be used interchangeably through a shared interface, even though each class may have its own specific implementation of the methods defined in that interface. Polymorphism is closely related to two other OOP concepts, inheritance and interfaces, or abstract classes. Here's a brief overview of these concepts and how they relate to polymorphism. Inheritance. Inheritance is the mechanism by which a new class, the subclass or derived class, can inherit properties and behaviors, attributes and methods, from an existing class, the superclass or base class. Polymorphism often comes into play when you have a hierarchy of classes with a shared base class and each subclass provides its own implementation of certain methods. This allows you to call those methods on objects of any subclass using a common interface. Interfaces and abstract classes. Interfaces, in languages like Java, and abstract classes, in languages like C++, define a contract of methods that must be implemented by any concrete class that inherits from them. This allows you to create a common set of methods that multiple classes can implement in their own unique ways. Polymorphism allows you to treat objects that implement the same interface or inherit from the same abstract class as if they were instances of that shared interface or abstract class. Polymorphism enables more flexible and extensible code by promoting code reusability and reducing dependencies. It allows you to write code that can work with various implementations without needing to know the specific details of each implementation. This concept is central to achieving the open/closed